Hello traders, you're welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be looking at Pine script strategy. Okay, so if you are looking to improve your Forex trading results, you are in the right place. The Forex Geek channel is for you. Okay, now Pine script is an essential tool for traders, allowing for customization and automation of trading strategies. So let us just get right into it. Okay, first let's talk about what PineScript is. PineScript is a powerful scripting language that lets you create custom indicators and strategies on TradingView. Okay, this means you can tailor your trading tools to fit your personal trading style. Right, this is like one of the super um good advantages, or would I say this is like one of the great benefits of this language, Pine script. Okay, it can help you to tailor your trading tools to fit your own personal trading style, right? So if you are the kind of person that wants to create a customized um, indicator, then you might want to consider trying out the Pine script on TradingView. Okay, and well, it's quite crucial in today's fast-paced market, but still depends on the kind of trader you are. You can just go on with the conventional indicators that we have, right? Now, why should you care though? Because a well-crafted Pine script strategy can help you analyze price movements more effectively, allowing for smarter trading decisions. Anyways, let's talk about developing Pine script strategy. Okay, if you want to develop Pine Script strategy, we're just going to be focusing on three critical components, which are market analysis, signal generation, and strategy optimization. Okay, so the first is market analysis. It's essential to understand the market conditions before you even think about making a trade. Okay, use indicators like moving averages or RSI to gauge the market strength. This will help you determine whether you should be looking for buying opportunities or selling signals, right? Now, the next is signal generation. This is where you write your Pine script code. You want to define specific conditions that will trigger your buy or sell signals. For example, if your custom moving average crosses above a certain level, that could be a buy signal. And if it crosses below, that might be your cue to sell. Now, finally, we have strategy optimization. This step is all about backtesting your strategy. By running your script on historical data, you can see how it would have performed in the past, allowing you to tweak and improve it before using it in real time trading. Okay. Now, in as much as Pine script is very useful and it can really help you to create personalized trading indicators and all of that, it's important to know that there are also some common pitfalls. Okay, so now let us just consider some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Right, one major mistake is over optimizing your strategy based on past data. It's not exactly good. Okay, it's not exactly good. Remember, just because something worked well in the past doesn't mean it will work in the future. Okay, that is another thing to note. Always apply proper risk management and remain disciplined in your trading approach. Even if you have a lot of technical knowledge, but you do not know how to be disciplined, you might end up losing a lot of money. You might end up giving back even not only profits you have made, but even a part of your capital to the market. So it's very important that you remain disciplined and you know how to manage your emotions appropriately. Okay, it's very, very important when trading. All right. So basically that is it for Pine Script. If you want to create your own personalized strategy using Pine Script, then you can check it out on TradingView. and create your own custom indicators or strategies. So feel free to engage with our community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more expert insights and strategies to enhance your trading journey. Let's take your trading to the next level together. Thanks for watching and happy trading. See you in the next video.